Hi everyone, we have got a passage here on rituals. थोड़ा familiar सा topic है ये, so I think I'm going to like it. कुछ और color लेते हैं यार, हाँ चलो blue. Now, rituals provide frameworks for managing uncertainties and ambiguous emotions. Rituals, rites and rituals, conventions, while simultaneously destabilizing existing hierarchies. क्या कहना चाह रहा है ये? Provide frameworks, managing uncertainties and this, while simultaneously destabilizing existing hierarchies and establish group identities. ठीक है, दोनों चीजें कर रहा है वो. Rituals offer guidance during existential inquiry. Okay, for example, baptism. तो यहां से तो एग्जाम्पल्स देना शुरू किया. Since the first three lines are not very clear, I'm going to read the example a little bit. ये आपको डिसाइड करना होगा, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी रखनी होगी कि मुझे क्या पढ़ना है क्या नहीं पढ़ना है. Baptism. In Christianity, when a child is named, so that is called baptism, provides parents of newborns with particular spiritual principles and moral standards, ठीक है, which become experienced and reinforced through baptismal ceremonies, ठीक है. Rituals can provide moral direction, okay, moreover in societies where traditional ceremonies have diminished, these moral and social frameworks increasingly this and new meaning making approaches encultured growing interest, okay, ठीक है. Basically he's saying rituals, if they are there, they give you this moral compass or existential something blah blah, and at the same time they have been destabilizing existing hierarchies and जो कि group identities community identities बने हुए हैं. ठीक है, ये हो गया. Now what is the second para saying? In Western society, pregnancy and childbirth remained private matters. Again, some examples from the Western society, typically excluded even from fathers to be. Okay, fine. Only within approximately the last 3 decades, 30 years types, pregnancy gained social visibility and fathers are allowed into the delivery rooms and all. ठीक है, evolved. Okay, women's fashion, all right, maternity, something, this newfound visibility introduced motherhood ideals. So this is talking about birth and motherhood and fatherhood connected with Western. Ignore करो, थोड़ी सी skimming करके idea मिल गया. Furthermore, traditional religious rituals have declined in Western secular societies. So rituals कहाँ decline होगा? Common sense है. Traditional rituals Western में. Eastern side of the world is still very traditional. Since the 70s, baptism rates. अब इसको बाकी क्यों पढ़ूं मैं? First line बता रहा है कि Western society में rituals decrease हो गए हैं, diminish हो गए हैं. दिस इज गुड. बाकी का आप जो देख रहे हो यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन 70s, ओके, सब एग्जांपल्स हैं. डिपेंडिंग ऑन दिस, इन नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न यूरोपियन कंट्रीज बेबीज रिमेन ऑल राइट. नहीं पढ़ रही मैं इसको. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पैरा, ये लास्ट पैरा है शायद. यस, इन कंटेम्प्ररी वेस्टर्न सेक्युलराइज सोसाइटीज. अब ये कैसे डिक्लाइन हुआ है बोला. नाउ इन कंटेम्प्ररी वेस्टर्न सेक्युलराइज सोसाइटीज, व्हाट, बर्थ रिप्रेजेंट्स पैसेज rather than rite of passage through due to lacking collective rituals. Okay, in her renowned work Birth As This, अब यहाँ किसी का नाम आ गया. What she argues here is that hospital medical practices also constitute significant this. इसका point है western medicine prominent, not only this. Okay, however, so इस पैरा में is talking about this Floyd person and contemporary western societies and something to do with birth. However, what is it? Different ritual modes or densities exist. Daily ritualization, okay, represent layers. Medical setting rituals, ritual aspects differ from this. All ritual layers significantly contribute to enculturation. However, the absence of this at life's beginning remains striking. Basically, अब समझ आया कि पूरे पैसेज का मुद्दा क्या है. He starts talking about rituals, है ना, जैसे in the first para. Then excuse me, so he starts talking about rituals. Then he brings it down in the second paragraph to birth related rituals, pregnancy, childbirth and all. In the third para also he continues with that. In the fourth para again with that. So the mudda is ritual connected with birth, that too in the western societies. ये है इनका असल point. Now कहाँ पे क्या है ये तो दिस इज वेरी क्लियर. यहाँ डेविस फ्लॉइड का है, यहाँ पे वेस्टर्न सेक्युलर सोसाइटी 70s का अगर कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो आप यहाँ आ सकते हो वापस. वेस्टर्न सोसाइटी, ओके, फादर्स टू बी पहले क्या होता था, ये सब यहाँ दिया हुआ है रिगार्डिंग डिलीवरी एंड ऑल. नाउ Let's take a look at the questions. Question number 1. So, now, question number 1. In contemporary Western secularized societies, birth is more a passage. It's specific question wala, specific sentence wala, rather than a rite of passage due to the lack of collective rituals around pregnancy and birth. Best captures the essence. देखो भाई, अभी simple language में करना क्या है? You have to just go back here, and we know that he's talking about birth से related rituals. Secularized societies, go back and just read this portion once again. Represents passage, just coming into this world, rather than the rite of passage. There are no connected ceremonies due to lacking collective rituals surrounding pregnancy and birth. It has declined over the years, right? So we go to this now. Okay. Captures the essence. In contemporary secular societies, newborns do not enter a community because of a lack of collective rituals around pregnancy and birth. Lack of charo mein, right? In contemporary, parents of newborns have no guidance. Parents have no guidance, bakwas. So let's play elimination. In contemporary secular societies, childbirth is merely a ceremony because of a lack of collective rituals. How can it be a ceremony? He says it's just a passage, it's just a way of coming into this world. That's it. You're not part of any ceremony, you're not part of any ritual. There is no fanfare surrounding the birth of a baby as it used to happen in the earlier times. So, merely a ceremony, this is contradicting itself. So, this is eliminated, this is eliminated. I'm left with 1 and 4. 4 kya keh raha hai? In contemporary secular societies, children lack moral orientation because of a lack of collective rituals. Now, this says lack moral orientation. This says do not enter a community. I'll take you back and we'll try to prove it. Birth represents passage. Okay, just coming into the world. Due to this, in her renowned work, thoda sa aur padh ke dekhte hain, argues that hospital medical practices also constitute significant birth tests. Western medicine and technology have become prominent not only in this, but also in how we construct birth meaning. So, birth meaning, what is the meaning of birth? Because of a lack of ceremonies and all surrounding pregnancy and birth, it's just like you're coming into the world. ठीक है, उसके पहले के 2 line देख लो. Comparatively after death, something regarding birth, no direct necessity exists for social gatherings or collective ceremonies announcing baby arrivals. So you are not exactly bringing them into a community with some communal fanfare, right? So between this and this, the children lack moral orientation. Why? Because मेरे पैदा होने पे कोई तमाशा नहीं हुआ था, कुछ ceremony नहीं हुई थी, so I am immoral. ये होगा? नहीं. This is eliminated and this is justified as the answer. A good question. Question 2. Now, the author is least likely to support which of the following views? Least likely. Rituals around birth are important. So, true, false. We need this, right? So, rituals around birth are important since birth takes place within a social context. Okay. Rational knowledge does not necessarily give answers to existential questions. A moral obligation has a necessary antecedent of ritualistic practice. The current resources on parenting have contrasting pieces of advice. Now, we are not very sure about these points, so we are going to go back and check some of them. ठीक है, least likely to support. तो बाकी 3 से वो थोड़ा बहुत agree करेगा. Rituals around birth are important since birth takes place within a social context. Even if you go with the general point, this should be true. Author ने यही तो दिखाया ना. I'll take you back now. Provide frameworks for managing this. This. Rituals offer guidance. So in the first para, the author is talking about the importance of rituals, establishing specific embodied this. Baptism provides this. Rituals can provide moral direction, though not always through explicit prescription. In societies where traditional ceremonies okay, become increasingly ambiguous, pluralistic, new, okay. So in the opinion of the author, these rituals are important. Important since birth takes place. Okay, this is true. Rational knowledge does not necessarily give answers to existential questions. Okay, we will go back and look for rational knowledge, existential questions. Now, rational knowledge and existential questions, यहाँ तो हमें पता है this is talking about what happened earlier, right? So यहाँ explicit prescription, existential inquiry, right? Rituals offer this. For baptism, all right, ठीक है, ये है, and then moral direction, approaches, fine, publications. पहला पैरा से ही connected होना चाहिए, because here तो he comes and he says select depending religious ceremony and babies remain, fine, select accompanying, all right, and then here he comes up with it and he says how this person Davis Floyd argues, है ना, become prominent, all right, participation in social ceremonies differ layers. Remain striking, all right. So I know that this is connected to the first para. Go back to the question again. Rational knowledge does not necessarily give answers to existential questions. Managing uncertainties and ambiguous emotions, while simultaneously this, rituals offer guidance, establishing specific embodied and spiritual frameworks, for example, baptism, okay, moral standards, baptismal ceremonies. Rituals can provide moral direction, though not always through explicit prescription. In societies where traditional ceremonies have diminished, increasingly ambiguous and pluralistic. Okay. Now, from the first paragraph, we understand this, that the author is supporting these things called rituals, and he says existential rituals offer guidance during existential inquiry, establishing specific embodied and spiritual frameworks. Okay, so it does not necessarily mean that you need to have rational knowledge for this. ये कह रहा है ना, guidance, rituals, they give you guidance during existential inquiry. What is existential? Our presence in this world, I am, ये वाला जो होता है ना, my identity. So rituals offer guidance during this, specific embodied and this frameworks. वो establish कर रहे हैं अपना specific frameworks. They need not connect exactly with some logic, some rational thing. Okay. So ये वाला we can prove from the first para. This is correct. A moral obligation has a necessary antecedent of ritualistic practice. Antecedent is what? Something that happened before it. The current resources on parenting have contrasting pieces of advice. Current resources. आप यहाँ चले जाओ, ये represents passage rather than this. Renowned work, all right, also constitute significant birth ritualization, become prominent not only in this, also construct birth meaning. Okay. However, different ritual modes or densities exist. यहाँ ये बोला है plus first para में, और यहाँ ये भी बोला है medical setting rituals possess ritual aspects but differ from intentionally marked ceremonies serving as social gatherings. So difference है, और यहाँ भी ये कह रहा है इसने ये frameworks for managing uncertainties and this while simultaneously destabilizing existing hierarchies. So difference of opinion, difference of rituals, different styles आपका मौजूद है. Contrasting pieces of advice, so this can be true. Now this says a moral obligation has a necessary thing that happened before it of ritualistic practice. Just go to moral obligation. Okay. Here. Now, rituals can provide moral direction, though not always through explicit prescription. You see this. Explicit prescription is what? There need not be a set of rules or laws that were earlier followed. कि ऐसा हुआ, so you're going to do this. Moreover, in societies, these moral and social frameworks become increasingly ambiguous or pluralistic. right? Pluralistic and ambiguous means there can be contrasting pieces of advice. अभी जो हमने solve किया एक और option. New meaning making approaches become enculturated, such as growing interest in parenting publications. तो अभी जो हमने यहाँ पे clear किया था ये contrasting pieces, ये वहां से भी connected है, so this is true and the others are true, but ये because of the lines that I showed you, this is false. So this is your answer and it's pretty justified. True false खेलना था इसमें. Okay, which one of the following is a valid inference? So we are looking for true. Okay, which one of the following is a valid inference from the information set out in the passage? True खेलना है हमें. The northwestern European countries, strongly secularized society, baptism is not associated, Western secularized societies, moral guidelines. Wait, Western secularized societies, that means the modern ones, moral guidelines are not uniform. This though has been mentioned in the first as well as last para. कि ये contrasting pieces. Moreover, we solved this ना अभी. So based on this is pretty cool, right? So true false में मैं ढूंढती नहीं हूँ फिर बाकी false को prove करने चले, but here I'm going to show you, ठीक है? तो ये तो definitely answer है, justified है based on what we read. Western secularized societies moral guidelines are not uniform. ये देख लो आप यहाँ पे ये. Moreover, in societies where traditional ceremonies have diminished, secular societies, these moral become increasingly ambiguous or pluralistic. Different in different people. New meaning making approaches become enculturated. New meaning such as growing interest in this. Right, so these are different. Abhi northwestern European countries ka portion is here. Okay, so we'll just check the others. The northwestern European countries had fewer babies baptized than the rest of Europe. Baptism का example दिया है. यहाँ था, right? Baptism, yeah, right. So provides parents of this baptismal ceremonies. How do we know कि किसमें कौन से country में northern western Europe में rest of Europe से कम था या ज्यादा था? We don't have this information, so we can mark here data insufficient. Right? In northwestern European countries, the majority of people avoid participation in rituals. You see this? ये अब इसको हम बोल सकते हैं faulty comparison because of this Dan. ये red flag है, right? We have this majority. This is again extreme, so this is a red flag, right? In a strongly secularized society, baptism is not associated. बिल्कुल ही खत्म हो जा रहा है. Again, this is extreme. So this is again a red flag, and even then, this is justified as your answer. So in such a question, you can score very fast if you are aware of the red flags that can be there in your options as traps. ठीक है? So ये आपका again this is question 3 and this is justified as the answer. Then it can be inferred from the passage that rituals. So we are looking for inference 1 true. 3F जिसमें होता है ना वो questions easy होते हैं. It can be inferred from the passage that rituals in medical settings contrast baptism in that the ritual in medical setting is not what? Okay? Medical settings में चले जाओ आप. Medical settings can be here. Women's fashion, okay, belly, all right. पर पहले मैं यहाँ देखना चाहूंगी हॉस्पिटल से रिलेटेड जो है. Birth represents passage, okay. In a renowned work, argues that hospital medical practices also constitute significant birth ritualization practices. अच्छा उनमें भी होता है. Western medicine and technology have become prominent not only in pregnant and birthing woman care, but also in how we construct birth का meaning. ठीक है? However, different ritual modes or densities exist. ठीक है, ये भी समझ में आ गया. Medical setting rituals possess ritual aspects, okay, but differ from intentionally marked ceremonies, maybe the traditional ones, the hierarchical ones, serving as social gatherings focused on specific life events. Okay, so ओके, सो है भी मौजूद और नहीं भी, ये समझ में आ रहा है, ठीक है। नाउ I'll read the question once again. Rituals in medical settings contrast baptism in that the ritual in the medical setting is not. बैप्टिज्म में पूरे कम्युनिटी का एक गैदरिंग होता था, इसमें the ritual is there, subtle ritual is there, but maybe it's not a full gathering, right? So contrast baptism कैसे? तो बैप्टिज्म का हमने पढ़ा था, बैप्टिज्म का मीनिंग इज क्लियर. Ritual in medical setting is not what? Intended to be a fellowship around a life event. Okay? A social gathering based on daily ritualization. A form of multi-layered ritualization process. Attempting to provide guidance to parents. ये eliminated. Okay? सिर्फ हमसे ये मीनिंग नहीं पूछ रहा है कि मेडिकल सेटिंग वाला क्या है. It's saying how does it contrast baptism. Right? So I'll go back and check again जहां baptism का भी दिया हुआ है. Okay? Since the 70s, all right, constitute personal choice, entirely remains unclear. Right? Baptism का mainly medical settings वाला is here, but baptism इधर भी है. Here. First para में था ना ये. For example, baptism provides parents of newborns with particular spiritual principles and moral standards. But how does it contrast with the medical settings? Parent guidance तो है यहाँ. How does it contrast? Which become experienced and reinforced through baptismal ceremonies. Rituals can provide moral direction. ये हो गया. We come to this part now. So how is it different? Become prominent not only in this. Okay. However, different ritual modes or this exist. This is the difference point. Daily ritualization, participation in social ceremonies or liturgy represents different ritual layers. Various layers are there. Medical setting rituals possess ritual aspects but differ from intentionally marked ceremonies such as baptism, serving as social gatherings focused on specific life events. Yeah. So those gatherings, the intentionally marked ceremonies like baptism that was earlier discussed, served as social gatherings focused on specific life events. Medical rituals don't focus on that. All ritual layers significantly contribute, तो ये तो similarity हो गया. However, the absence of this. ठीक है? Ceremony at life's beginning. So I take you back to the question now. We are looking for life event and gathering, right? Attempting to provide ये out हो गया, form of multi-layered out. वो तो बोला है it is a multi-layered thing. ये सारे जो है ना ट्रेडिशनल वाले, मॉडर्न वाले, मेडिकल वाले, these are multi-layered. तो this is not the point of difference. Point of difference ढूंढना है बैप्टिज्म और उसमें. So I'm left with 1 and 2. Intended to be a fellowship around this medical setting is not a social gathering based on daily ritualization. Now, social gathering is good. Daily ritualization is a trap. Baptism का daily ritualization नहीं बोला है. And the difference point medical वाले में जो इसने बोला है, he doesn't mention आपका daily ritualization. He says serving as social gatherings focused on specific life events. That is exactly what we have rephrased here, because this is not intended to be a fellowship, okay, a certain life event ka thing around. Got it? So between this and this, daily ritualization is inserted there, put there as a trap. A social gathering based on daily ritualization. आप यहाँ चल के देखो. Daily ritualization is, not given exactly यहाँ. Differ from this, serving as social gatherings. ये वाले जो थे पुराने वाले, social gatherings focused on specific life events. Okay. So, in this is justified as the answer. Okay, I hope this is clear, guys.